Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, how are you today? Today in this video, we will discuss the summary of article style of Joko Pinurbo in Musim Panas and Surat Kau, stylistic analysis by Fardila Nurbati in 2018. So let's get started. Okay, my name is Furqan Nurati. I will be the first presenter of this discussion. So let's get to the point. So the first point is the topic. There are similar sound styles that use assonance in the poetry of the third verse Musim Panas Rim. Kubuka jendela malam purnama, tapi ia tak ada lagi di sana. Whereas in the poetry of the Surat Kau, at the end of the are used assonation you to you. Kau tak ada di kakiku ketika aku membutuhkan langkahmu untuk merambah rantauku. Kau tak ada di tanganku ketika aku membutuhkanmu jarimu untuk mengubah gundaku. Based on the word style, different morphological styles, vocabulary styles, and allusion were found in MP or Musim Panas Ris. Morphological style is found with the type of cutting and merging words, while in Ris SK or Surat Kau found morphological style with the type of addition suffix. Based on the style of sentence, found the style of contrast in the form of paradox in the Rims MP or Musim Panas, while in Ris SK or Surat Kau using the style of repetition in the form of anaphora. This shows that since the early days of his life, Joko Pinurbo used a type of contrasting styles on his rims.
Okay, next we will explain about the strong point in the Faradila's article. The first is the discussion is very detailed and clear. Based on the stylistic analysis, the author focused on the analysis of three types of the language style, such as the sound style, word style, and sentence style. And the second, the author used the qualitative descriptive method to describe the result of analysis. Descriptive qualitative research is very suitable in analysis stylistic. And the third, the author of this article analyzes and discusses in full the style of word, sound style, and sentence style using stylistic theory. According to Suchiman, stylistic is a science that examines the use of the language and language style in literary works. Jadi pada poin strength-nya ini terdapat 3 kelebihan, yaitu yang pertama itu pembahasannya sangat detail dan jelas, itu berdasarkan stylistic analisisnya. Yang kedua, penulis itu menggunakan kualitatif deskriptif, yang mana kualitatif deskriptif itu sangat cocok untuk analisis tersebut. Dan yang ketiga, penulis ini analisis dan membahas menggunakan stylistic teori dan juga mencantumkan teorinya, yaitu menurut Sujiman, stylistik adalah ilmu yang mempelajari tentang bahasa dan gaya bahasa dalam karya sastra. Okay, next we'll explain about the drawback and the suggestion. The first point of the drawback, the research question in this article. We not found the research question in this article. And the second, no explanation of qualitative descriptive research. Yang pertama, kita tidak menemukan pertanyaan research question dalam artikel ini. Dan yang kedua, tidak ada penjelasan yang lebih tentang apa itu qualitative descriptive research. Dan selanjutnya, next suggestion. The first suggestion, no research question in this article. The author should be 8 research questions such as what are the similarities and differences in both forms both in the three style, namely sentence, sound as writing, and the second, what makes the author want to analyze both poem. Mungkin saran kita penulis bisa membuat pertanyaan seperti bagaimana, apa saja persamaan atau perbedaan dalam kedua puisi tersebut, dan yang kedua, apa yang membuat penulis ingin menganalisa kedua puisi tersebut. And next suggestion, and the second suggestion, no explanation of the qualitative descriptive research. Explanation qualitative descriptive research is one of types of the research included in the qualitative research types. The purpose of this study is to reveal the events or facts, the circumstances, phenomena, variables, and circumstances that occurs during the study by present what actually happened. Saran yang kedua, mungkin penulis bisa menambahkan tentang penjelasan kualitatif deskriptif riset yang mana kualitatif deskriptif riset itu berkaitan dengan hasil analisa.
Okay, let's agree and support. In the article entitled Gaya Bahasa Djoko Purnomo dalam Saji Panas dan Surat Kal, Analisis Stilistika, agree because in the article use stylistic theory to analyze what style of language content in Turis, Musim Panas, and Surat Kal. This research or article is either to be used as reference material or to learn about the rules of language style through the core of its discussion.
Okay, that's all an article review for our group. Sorry if we have a mistakes, and thank you for watching.